Hey guys, this is another original called Haley's Song. I wrote it for my sister, so I hope you guys enjoy it. From the moment you first breathed, it was a beautiful memory. 'Cause you were a new life in an old world, and your clock had just begun to tick. As you grew older, you began to see your life in a new light, your destiny. So you began to live out what you really loved, but somehow you felt it wasn't enough. People would put your free heart in a box, and you would oblige so as not to seem lost. You thought if you listened to everybody else, you could finally find yourself. Just broken and crying for help from above. What you don't realize is your voice will save you from those broken eyes. One day your own life will kill off your mind's eye and all the lies you locked deep inside. One day you'll be what you always dreamed, just because you breathe.